I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to send money on eToro, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the eToro app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account for verification. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section. Once logged in, find the deposit funds option, usually located in the main menu or your account dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Choose your payment method. Select your preferred payment method from the list provided. eToro typically offers options like credit/debit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets. Step 4. Enter the amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm your transaction. Review your details and click on the confirm button to complete the transaction. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. That's it. Sending money on eToro is straightforward once you know the steps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!